how to redeem code for YouTube Premium. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you redeem code for YouTube Premium. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for YouTube redeem, and from there you'll have to just tap on the YouTube sign in option, and from there you'll have to just sign in with your YouTube account to redeem the YouTube Premium on your account. So simply tap on the option sign to continue to YouTube. Alright, so after you tap on that, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, to redeem the YouTube Premium code, you'll have to just provide your redeem code here, and after you provide the redeem code here, you'll have to just tap on the next option, and after you tap on that next option, you can easily redeem a code for YouTube Premium. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.